What's up, everybody? Hope everyone is having a good morning. Um, it is Wednesday, and been having a great week so far. I just want to make a quick video on GbpUsd setup last night. So, one thing I see, or first thing I saw was this is looking like right here a buy to sell move right there. So you see that we have liquidity here, right? So you could say that liquidity got hit here, liquidity got hit here, and liquidity definitely got hit up here. You can see if I put right there this line, you see the high of that wick right there just barely got ran through, and we came and closed under this high, closed under it, but spiked above it, and then we're moved away pretty aggressive, right? So we go down to the 4 hour, and you can clearly see that this is looking like a buy to sell type of move, right? And what I see is we're starting to move to the downside, right? So let me get this out of here. Starting to move to the downside, right? And there's some points that you can start to connect, right? So right here, you could say that would have been a decent sell, and then you look right here, and there's another little smaller sell, right? So when I was looking at this, I saw this 4 hour, this spike up right here, and then an engulfing candle, right? So my focus was the open and 50% right here. So this was before setup, actually, on GbpUsd. This is the before setup. This bottom line right here was the open, and this top line right here was 50% of the 4 hour candle, right? So 50%, and then the open. And then we go to the 15-minute time frame. Let me throw on session breaks so we can see the day of what I initially saw. So here's the high from yesterday and the low from yesterday, right? And what we saw, here's Asian session right here. And what I saw coming out of Asian session was a breakout of this wedge to the upside. As you can see in this picture, this wedge, a breakout to the upside, right? And then rejected cleanly off of the 4 hour 50% area, and just a little bit of drawdown from the open. Nothing too yeah, see 15 pips of drawdown, nothing too extreme, 16 pips of drawdown for 62 pips straight of profit in 2 hours. And my initial TP for this was actually at the low of the day, which if you see this session break right here, that's a new start of the day. So my TP would be right here at the low of the day. So TP would have gotten hit, sell limit would have gotten activated, 60 pips in an hour and 15 minutes. So yeah, Asian session chop, wedge, breakout to the upside. I imagine that retail must be buying right there, and I was just waiting for 4 hour 50% and this 4 hour opening right here, just like this. All right, so yeah, and then the after is this. See, so how it got up to the 50% area right here, and just straight, just instant profit, in a short amount of time, right? So those are the setups that I like the most, the ones that don't have to wait around forever to start seeing blue. Um, Instant profit. TP was hit while I was sleeping, and now I'm just gonna enjoy my day. And I hope you guys do the same. I hope this maybe helped some of you guys a little bit. Wasn't really much of a lesson, just more of an insight on a setup. But I hope you guys can use some of the tools that I use to put in your arsenal, and help you out with your trading as well. So hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.